Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Fitness Buddy Gym Workout by Azumo Incorporation. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Fitness Buddy. There you can see Fitness Buddy Gym Workout by Azumo Incorporation. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app in your mobile, depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy your personal trainer for exercise, bodybuilding, summer body, abs, and muscle building. This much for today's video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for our latest videos. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.